Just when you think motorhomes have reached their limit, along comes a machine so advanced, so brilliantly engineered, that it changes everything you ever believed about life on wheels. That's exactly what the Carthago Liner for 2 does, and that's why it takes the number 5 spot on our list of the top 5 most insane double-floor motorhomes you won't believe exist. At first glance, this RV looks almost modest, with smooth European design lines and a clean profile. But underneath that calm exterior lies one of the smartest double-floor systems ever created. The entire lower level stretches the full length of the motorhome, creating a massive climate-controlled basement. Water tanks, electrical systems, heating ducts, and storage compartments are all strategically placed below your feet. Perfectly balanced, fully protected, and easily accessible. But what truly shocks travelers is the sheer amount of usable space. You can load bicycles, folding scooters, camping furniture, backup supplies, tools, and still have room for more. Inside, the Liner for 2 transforms into a luxury apartment on wheels. The panoramic lounge feels like a modern living room, with wraparound seating and soft LED lighting. A hidden drop-down bed descends from the ceiling, creating a nighttime sleeping space without sacrificing daytime comfort. The kitchen is beautifully crafted with premium finishes, and the bathroom feels surprisingly spacious for an RV this size. The double-floor design keeps the entire motorhome perfectly warm in winter and cool in summer, making it ideal for all-weather travel. Whether you're crossing snowy mountains or desert highways, the Liner for 2 gives you stability, strength, and comfort far beyond what most RVs offer. It's not just a motorhome, it's a carefully engineered masterpiece built for people who want the perfect combination of practicality and luxury. And believe me, this is only the beginning. Taking the number 4 spot is a machine that feels less like an RV and more like a rolling 5-star hotel, the Morello Empire Liner. This double-floor beast is one of Germany's most luxurious motorhomes, built for travelers who demand the highest level of comfort and engineering excellence. The moment you step inside, you instantly understand why the Empire Liner has become a symbol of prestige among long-distance travelers. But what makes this machine truly insane is its double-floor system, arguably one of the largest and most complex in the industry. This RV's basement isn't just storage, it's a climate-controlled engineering zone. Pipes, wiring, tanks, heating lines, and insulation all run within this massive lower level, making the entire vehicle incredibly stable and weather-protected. With the double floor, your water lines never freeze, your electronics stay safe, and your luggage remains accessible no matter how cold or hot it gets outside. Step into the living area and you're met with real luxury, plush leather seating, elegant cabinetry, a full gourmet kitchen, and one of the most comfortable bathrooms ever built into a motorhome. Morello uses advanced insulation throughout the double-floor section, trapping warm air inside the lower level and keeping the entire motorhome at a steady temperature. This engineering makes the Empire Liner perfect for winter travel, allowing you to camp comfortably in freezing destinations. In addition to the double-floor system, the Empire Liner also offers massive external storage compartments, big enough to hold bicycles, grills, tools, and long-term travel gear. You could easily live in this RV full-time without worrying about space. With a price reaching close to $500,000, the Morello Empire Liner is a dream machine for luxury, travelers, and proof that double-floor designs aren't just about storage. They're about building a home that travels anywhere your heart wants to go. At number 3, we enter the world of modern engineering refinement with the Hymer B-Class Master Line. Iota Neo, a motorhome that proves innovation. Doesn't always need extreme size, it just needs brilliant design. Hymer has always been a leader in European RV technology, but the Master Line I-890 represents one of their most impressive achievements. What makes this RV special is its full double-floor smart level system, a raised chassis that provides exceptional strength and insulation while creating a functional lower level for utilities and storage. The double floor is heated, insulated, and constructed with a lightweight yet durable material that keeps everything inside, protected from freezing temperatures. You can store essential gear under the floor, run heating lines through the lower deck, and walk comfortably inside even during the coldest months. Step into the interior, And the Master Line immediately feels different. From typical RVs, the cockpit looks futuristic with digital controls, comfortable captain chairs, and a panoramic windshield that gives you a commanding view of the road. The living space is beautifully designed with modern lighting, soft-toned cabinets, a premium kitchen layout, and a spacious bathroom that feels like something out of a boutique spa. One of the most impressive features is how accessible the double-floor area is. Maintenance ports allow you to reach wiring, water pumps, battery systems, and heating components without tearing the RV apart. Everything is neatly organized and efficiently placed, something travelers appreciate when they're far from service centers. The Master Line is the perfect example of luxury, practicality, and smart engineering merging into one package. It's the kind of RV that makes long-distance travel feel effortless, safe and comfortable, and with its double-floor foundation, you're guaranteed a stable ride, warmer floors, and tons of hidden storage space. For many RV lovers, this is the sweet spot between luxury and logic. Now we step into the world of pure insanity, because the Futuria Sports Plus Spa Liner might be the most outrageous motorhome ever designed. Ranking at number 2 on our list, this RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. The double-floor system is only one part of its brilliance, but everything built on top of that foundation is what makes this machine unforgettable. First, let's talk about the feature that made it famous: the full-size rooftop jacuzzi. Yes, you heard that right. This RV comes with its own hot tub sitting on the roof, complete with LED lighting and enough room for multiple people. And no, this isn't a gimmick. The double-floor engineering plays a major role here because it provides the extra stability, support, and water management systems needed to handle such a wild feature. But the craziness doesn't end there. The lower level includes a huge garage designed for luxury sports cars. Imagine pulling your coupe inside your RV before heading to the next destination. It's the kind of thing you only see in movies. The interior looks more like a futuristic lounge than a motorhome, with sleek curves, ambient lighting, glossy finishes, and high-end seating. The Futuria Liner was designed for celebrities, VIPs, and travelers who want to make an unforgettable entrance wherever they go. The double-floor system also hides massive technical infrastructure, water tanks, pumps, heating systems, wiring, and stabilizers that keep the rooftop spa safe to use. This motorhome is bold, unconventional, and designed entirely for fun. It's not the most practical RV out there, but it is definitely one of the most insane creations ever built, and that's exactly why it earns the number 2 spot on our countdown. Taking the number 1 position is a machine so advanced, so luxurious, and so brilliantly engineered that it often earns the title of the world's most expensive motorhome. This is the Volkner Performance S, the king of double-floor motorhomes, and the ultimate dream for anyone who loves RV life at its highest level. What sets the Performance S apart from every other motorhome on the planet is its incredible hydraulic center garage. The entire lower deck slides outward like a futuristic platform, lowering itself to the ground so you can load a full-size luxury car, such as a Porsche, BMW, or Mercedes, right into the belly of the RV. It's like something straight out of a James Bond movie. And all of this is possible because of its brilliantly designed double-floor system, which provides the structural reinforcement, heating, insulation, and storage required for such a massive feature. Inside the RV, you enter a different world. Soft leather seating, polished wood finishes, a gourmet chef's kitchen, a spa-style bathroom, and a master bedroom that feels like a boutique hotel suite. Every inch is handcrafted, customizable, and engineered for perfection. The double floor ensures completely flat surfaces inside, hidden wiring, warm floors in winter, and a silent ride that feels incredibly smooth for a vehicle this size. Prices for the Volkner Performance S can exceed $2 million, depending on custom configurations, making it one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever created. But anyone who sees it in action immediately understands why. This is not just an RV, it's a super yacht on wheels, powered by engineering. Brilliance, wrapped in luxury and built for the kind of traveler who doesn't want a home, but a palace. And that's why the Volkner Performance S is number 1 on our list.